Yeah, 410 on that, man. Alright, man, I'm going to ease up out of the middle of the road and get back to what I got going on here. I'm just coming in here to get some duct tape, man. And I heard a bunch of quacking going on my radio. Now let me get on out of here, man. I'll catch up with you later, witch doctor. You homie in the corners in the clear. 410, I'll be careful, man. I'll make sure I don't get no duck feathers on me.
You might end up with some witch doctor feathers on you. That'd be even worse.
Hello, round cow. Hello, round cow. Chicken on the pile. Hello, round cow. Chicken.
Hey, Squeaker, this is not as bad as some duck butter I'm getting down.
I hear you there.
Uh-oh.
I heard that, I did. I heard you there, too.
I had a little bit of noise coming out of Boise right there, so I thought I'd return the answer. But good morning up there in the gorge. The doctor in the corner up there.
Yeah, 410. I'm just sitting here minding my own business. Behave. Hey, Squeaker, I come in here to get me some duct tape, man, and witch doctor was telling me to be careful. You know, there was a guy one time, and he was going down the street, he had a roll of duct tape, and daggone guy asked him what he was doing. He said he was going to go get a whole bunch of ducks, and he says, you ain't getting no ducks with no duct tape. Well, lower in the quarter, man, he came back, he had about 100 ducks. Next day, the kid's going down the street, he got a wheelbarrow full of pussy willows. Neighbor said, I'm going with you.
There you go. Yeah, he's going after the big game there. Go ahead.
I don't know. That's some funny stuff, man. Well, I'm getting the place tuned out, worked up, so when you get here, man, we can play radio, see how much we can eat, and kick it. Without a daggone doubt. Are you coming by yourself? You bringing your lovely wife with you there, Bray?
I'll be roaming on by myself for this trip. She's gonna grab a ticket and go to Montana. So we're gonna split the two differences there. Go ahead.
Yeah, 410, so you're gonna meet up with her in Montana. Is that what you're gonna do?
How's she gonna get those dogs on the airplane? But there's a lot of good people out here, too.
No, it's gonna be a one-at-a-time deal there. I'm going up there and coming home and take care of the little four-legged critters, and then she'll mosey up there for a while.
Oh, what's that? Yeah, I heard that. I did. Ah, man. Well, number one son called me the other day, and Al, he ain't doing too well, and Sean wants to take him for one more rendezvous, and needs a place to stay, man. But I tell you, it's dangerous when he comes up here. He always ends up in the daggone ER after he leaves here, man. I don't know. We're gonna see what we can do, man. Shoot. You see what happened? I might end up in the ER if I get too many people hanging out here, man. You know, Annie can go stay with her daughter. Otherwise, she feels like she's got to cater. Well, that's what her gift is anyway. But I don't know. She might be burned out after this weekend coming up. But my daggone hillbilly family, man, the only way we're going to get rid of them is if we run out of food. So I'm pretty sure we're going to get ate out of house and home. But at least we'll get rid of them. We'll see how much she's got left in her after they get done with her. I got a big family, man. It's going to be a big whoop-de-doo. I guarantee most told you. Hey, man, I got stuff to do. I won't hold y'all. Y'all take them easy. Take care. No key down time. Your doctor in the corner got down.
Alrighty, Doc. Yep, just start with a half-empty refrigerator, and by the end of the day, they'll all go home. Hey, you have a good one. Take care. We'll catch you again real soon, no doubt. Me and this little bitty tiny radio down here in California just got on down.
To make them go home and stay home for a while, I'll make a great big old cake, chocolate cake, and I'll put about 4 boxes of X-Lax down with them, and I'll give them all a piece to take home.
Oh, you won't have to worry about me staying and eating. I'll manage.
And you won't be eating no daggone chocolate cake, huh?
No, I've already seen what happened when you do that kind of stuff. One time I was up. Nope, I don't need to be doing that. I don't need to be looking for the weeds out back. I'll see you.
You know, old Cat Box, he shouldn't have been eating at the Jack in the Box when he got here. He ate at the Jack in the Box before he got here there, right?
Yeah, sure enough. Oh, man, what a mess. Anyway, you take care, be good. Hey, give the boss lady a hug there, man. I'll see you.
You know what? I never
I have a good time, man, but that was some funny shit right there, I gotta tell you, man. That was only a pinch of it. I think the gas station episode was the best. You missed that one, man, but me, Sean, and Al, and Sue and T had to ride with it, man. He was putting gas in his car and messing around talking on his phone, man, and he was standing right in front of that nozzle, pushed up against it. When that tank got filled up, it burped. The gas went all over in his crotch, and he was so pissed it was funnier than hell. I'll never forget that.
That cotton picker got himself in messes. No doubt. No doubt. Yep. Well, it's all over and done with now.
Hey, Bob!
Well, if I have a party, it'll be a private party of about 100 people minus one. 410?
410. Yes, sirree. All right, I'll get out of the way. Somebody else may have something to say, and I'm just now moseying on in here to see what was going on. I don't know if I interrupted anything, but here I be. I'll see you.
Well, Squeaker, you know you didn't interrupt anything with me, man, except for my work. I was headed out the door when I heard you key up, man. I did say goodbye to witch doctor. Him and I were out here ratchet jawing for a little bit. Hey, man, I won't hold you. We'll put it on you again when we can, which I know will be soon. Take it easy. Take care. Tell the pretty one I said hello. I'll catch you when I can. Mr. Worldwide Squeaker, your doctor in the corners in the clear. I hear someone say doctor in the corner. Let me wave at you, man, but I gotta get out of here. Your doctor's clear.
I know train driver. I sure do. That's good, man. That's good. Everybody got a chance to put their hand in each other's hand and greet and eat. Have a good time. That's a good thing, man. I'm glad y'all had a good time. If I can live the next year, I'm gonna try to get out there, because like I said, my wife takes a sister seat out there. My wife takes a sister out there, man, and I sure better take my wife with me to see her little...
Morning, Squeaker.
Well, good morning, Mr. Sleepy Dog. And how's the dog this morning?
Oh, just wonderful. Just got done mowing the lawn, so I'm really tired out. You know, that riding lawnmower, that's a lot of work, and it's just about nap time.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's real hard to turn that steering wheel.
Well, yeah, and there's no power steering. It's just all manual labor type of thing.
Sure enough. Well, I kind of moseyed out here and turned this thing on. I heard y'all talking to Witch Doctor down there. I waited till he was kind of almost done, or done, whatever he was doing. I'm waiting. I got to take the neighbor lady to an appointment and give her a ride there because her daughter's working, so I'm going to be the chauffeur today.
Well, how's she doing anyway? She doing all right?
Yeah, she's doing way better. Way better. They're not really sure about giving her car back yet, but for the most part, she's up and around and kind of taking care of herself.
Yeah, 10-4. Oh, well, good. That's good. She's still young yet, so she should be getting better all the time.
Yeah, she might have a year on you, or two, maybe. I don't know, somewhere close. Yep, still young enough to get around and do her thing.
There you have it. Okay, alrighty, I'll let you get back.
Sure is nice I let them guys talk, huh, Squeaker?
What the heck that dog had?
Uh-huh.
Bill somewhere. I thought I could hear him once, but I guess it wasn't him. But anyway, you have a nice day, and we'll catch you later.
All right, there, Sleepy Dog. You be good. You be good. We'll spoke upon you a little bit later on. I'm back here just taking a listen. I want to see what's going on.
Okie dokie, I'll be back.
He said okie dokie. He said bye. Squeaker from gone.
Doc keyed up there and said bye for you. He said bye. You and Paula have a good day. See ya.
Yeah, she's out golfing. She's golfing, or maybe it's wine time at the pub. You never know. They always go out and eat afterwards. So anyway, tell Duck Adams goodbye. See you later. Bye.
Fireball. You know who I'm talking to, Squeaker, down there in Lamar, California. I don't know if you need another ass whipping or not, man, but I'm not going to ignore you. He wasn't keyed up, but I heard you, so I'm going to say good afternoon, good morning time to you. Hey, Fireball, I said good morning time to you. Your doctor in the corner got down.
There's fire hose.
Yeah, man, well, shit happens, right? Fireball, I remember being at a break one time and you were standing in front of the men's bathroom and I asked you what you was doing and you was telling me you was waiting for the elevator to come down, man. I had to walk you over to the elevator. You were drinking that hooch, man. I'll never, ever forget that, man. There's some funny shit going on with them breaks.
I'm going to leave the ass whooping this time to Witch Doctor, because it's just too damn easy.
Yeah, man. Hey, Fireball, you said something about Fat Man putting a daggone hammer on me. Well, that daggone Squeaker keyed up and said he was going to leave that ass whipping for Witch Doctor to give it to you, that you were no competition, man. Oh, good Lord, we got some weird conditions, man. I'm going to let Fat Man do his cat picking thing, man. He can have you. You tell Fat Man I said he can have you. Catch you later, Fireball. Squeaker, you behave. I'm gone.
a shirt pocket radio, and a little bitty Alpha. I'm gone.
Well, that's what I'm running. About 500 birds. But, hey, Squeaker, you know I got some irons in the fire. It ain't going to be long. I just ain't had time to make me a jumper. But it won't be long. I'm going to put Fat Man on a diet so he can crawl back underneath that bed where he used to hang out when I got on the radio there, right?
Yeah, he's pretty wicked with that cotton-picking antenna radar he's running. That was just like the one you had, man. That was devastating on little bitty watts. So you just have to be careful. You better have that Mother Nature when you go to put a whooping on that cotton picker.
Yeah, 410 on that, man. Well, you know, it is what it is. There's an old saying, it's better to be a has-been there, Squeaker, than never was or will be. All right, man, I'm going to get this duct tape, man. I'm going to go out and take care of some business. I'll catch y'all a little bit later, man. Y'all tell Fat Man I say good morning. Tell him I said hello and tell him to behave him damn self. Catch y'all later. I'm gone.
See you later. I got to go put air in the wife's tire, so I'm gone again. Bye-bye.
I can't hear Fat Man. Hey, Fat Man, I said take it easy, take care, man, and don't be tripping over no daggone stumps. I'll catch you later, I'm gone.
Fireball, Rude Dog, 357, Northern Cal.
I heard you, number one. Hey, number one, son, I heard you in this worldwide big-ass backscatter. All right, man, let me get on out of here. Fireball, Squeaker, the rest of the gang, y'all take them easy, take care. Your doctor's gone.
Hey, Central Cal, I'm right here at the state line, Roger.
I sure wish you'd stay. Bye-bye, Fireball. One time, number one in Arizona, I'm going to say hello to you, man. I'm going to drop this mic like the shack's on fire. I got to get back to work. I'm gone.
357, Northern Cal, we're gone.
Hi, that's 2 times now, man. I'm gone.
Radio check right there.
The man, put on your hands. You gotta get the man call on it. Start flicking both the assholes and I'm putting the ass on the bed to the left. But I'm going to come and follow down and get back to my cotton picking Bluetooth. Put on your hands there later so I can know I'm bye.
Rude Dog, Rude Dog, 347, Northern Cal. Fireball, they call me Rude Dog 357 right on the state line. Waving a hand, man, you sounded choice up here this morning. 357, Mount Shasta, we're going.
Down in California. We went to Oregon, and we went up to Nevada side, up to 95, and then we crossed over the mountain,
I'm off of 97. Like heading towards Cape Falls, kind of in the middle, towards in Oregon.
In the mountain?
Oregon state line, right?
Yeah. Did you climb I climbed that thing 3 times now.
Hey, you have a good day, buddy, Fireball. Do what you do. Rude dog. Right class 7.
I just climbed it. Just look at it.
Alright, Fireball, bump up, we go.
The back seat that
Yeah, they're great for demolition derbies. Come on. Man, that's a good car for that. I'm back out.
the driver's behind him.
Yeah, Ronnie. That's a big excursion, so we have a good time in that too. That's why I'm a diesel excursion. It's fun with all. I got 10 grandkids. I'm back out. Fireball dog, round around Mount Shasta, root dog. I'm back out.
I remember them days there, and then I remember the days you could just ride me back in the truck. Well, thanks for all involved, man. I really appreciate that. Well, I'm gonna sit back, man. I'm working on this video and trying to find out who my pictures of this switch day, because half these stuff I didn't even know. And then when I took pictures, I forgot the name of her. Now I got a new one. Fireball in the middle of the desert and back out.
Take care, Fireball. I won't be back. I'm going. Hello to you down south. What's going on? Hey, Fireball, I gotta say good afternoon time. Afternoon time to you, Fireball. That's right. Midnight Cowboy, nosy, break up. Damn car rolls, blowing. It's just a brother.
Looks like you didn't run back to mine. Writing down who it is on this video on that guy.
I guess I ain't gonna get to see that. Good afternoon time to Fireball. I'm back up. Hey, good afternoon time. You made it home, I heard. I was listening to the mail yesterday. I heard you made it home. Good work.
I drove to Victoria, which took me about, 5 hours. Sunday? Yeah. I left that road, but when I got to the Compact Challenge, I only drove about 500 miles that day. Didn't you all want to be over the top of that Fireball? That challenge. I just drove back. I was north of El Paso, tried to drive back down to El Paso to get back on the same track that I was. It was quite a trip. When I went back yesterday, I drove 811 miles Monday night.
Oh man, yeah, you put some miles on for sure. Yeah, you put a lot of miles on. I know I jumped on the airplane and I got into Seattle and I missed my connecting flight. I had to rebook another one. They had one a half an hour from when I rebooked it. So I flew into Medford and I had to figure out where my luggage was. It wasn't on the carousel because it was on the first plane I was supposed to jump on. But it was in behind some locked gate or something like that. So I was happy I was able to get my keys to my car and get home by the time everything was said and done. Hey, Fireball, yeah, it was a lot of fun. It worked.
It was a lot of fun, man. I talked to Big Boss about it yesterday, and there were a lot of times people that couldn't go because of the storm. I'm hoping that a lot more people show up. Next month, I'll fly into Houston and I'll rent a car and I'll drive down to Victoria. That's probably what
Yeah, Roger, I flew into Austin. That's where I flew into, and yeah, I enjoyed that. Are you going to any other breaks this year? Are you going to make it to the one up in Portland? Oh, Witch Doctor said hello to you a few minutes ago. Are you going to go up to Portland one or over to Gulfport, Mississippi or something?
a month up there. I got something I got to take home. I'm meeting up on taking next one. I get both out of Fireball.
Yeah, he was so long-winded, I had to think I remembered it. Yeah, he's still on the key.
I think it's about 1,100 miles. I'm going to run up there and pick them up and pull it back home. If that's the case, it'll be like, what do they call it? It'll be like last minute thing there for a
You know, I was looking at flights. Oh, I gotta go. Yeah, I was looking at flights, and, I think I blew something up. Let me get out of here. Fireball, I lost you out there, so we'll catch up with you another time. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I think he out there in, where's he at? Salton Sea.
Lady Mermaid, you are by your feet.
Lady Mermaid, the moonlighter up north.
Lady Mermaid, all kinds of 10-8 out here in the northwest corner over Hawaii Warrior 74. Would you go?
Well, I guess I can't get into Lady Mermaid radio either. I'm back quiet.
You got 132 Scarecrow, 132 on the Skywatch. And that ain't no Arroyo. And that Arroyo.
Yeah, stay near that ocean. Lady Mermaid, I'm out.
Lady Mermaid, man. Lady Mermaid, 10-8 out here. Downtown, Portland, Oregon, northwest corner, 074, Hawaiian Warrior, I'm gone.
Hey, where's that 784 coming out of? I don't know that area code. Hey, Lady Mermaid, break it.
I know Fireball can transmit, but goddammit, maybe Fireball...
On the moonlighter.
There. Alright, Lady Mermaid, I'll put it on you later. Always some kind of wonderful modulation out here in the northwest corner. Say yeah, Lady Mermaid.
Is he still on the key?
Warriors, northwest corner, I'm 10-7. Have a good day.
I ain't never heard 784 out of Portland. He must go by a different handle. Okay, hey, Lady Mermaid, the moonlighter up north, that quiet. I'm on the bottom side of Oregon. Catch you later, Lady Mermaid. Hey, I'm just on a driver right now, so, hey, you take care down south. Lady Mermaid, the moonlighter. I'm getting off this thing. I'm gone. Roger, Lady Mermaid. Hey, you sounding good too down south. Hey, Lady Mermaid, 1 minute you was at 30, then you finally got down to about 9 pounds now, so conditions are falling off in and out. Hey, Lady Mermaid down south. Yeah, every now and again, I point my beams that way. Hey, Lady Mermaid, the moonlighter, I'm out.
You got 132 Scarecrow up north, got down. My pickup truck down there when I was in the park. Starting to rain up here. Starting to rain in Boise there, Lady Mermaid. It might snow up there tonight. It's so deep down there in the hole up in the mountains, it might snow up there if it's raining 10 worth. Hey, Lady Mermaid, nice talking to you. Lady Mermaid, it's been my pleasure. First time I ever talked to you, you know.
Ask him if he wants some fat-man sloppy seconds. Mermaid, I'm getting down.
Well, hey, Sean, turn that team when I was right to hear you.
Time to mess with you guys. Bye.
That's what I thought about, but Wilson 5000 background and a meaty little 200-watt linear quad 5 inch-tones. I'm telling you, what a shame in my side expander microphone got down. Hey, Lady Mermaid. Hey, Mermaid, tell Emo, I'm gonna go over to BPI's house and turn the steam on him and burn him Hey, I appreciate it, Lady Mermaid. Hey, you have a great day.
How about a Lady Mermaid? How about that Lady Mermaid, Dirty Sanchez, and the 4-field mobile? Read the mail.
Yeah, Nitro in Idaho. You know now, yeah. Nitro, the 170 in Idaho. God damn.
I guess I ain't got no Mother Nature in that Lady Mermaid. Me and this 4-field mobile in the northwest corner is about quiet. Well, you got her back, Lady Mermaid. That's all I hear is you in my radio. I just got off of work and I heard you in my 4-field mobile. Lady Mermaid, Dirty Sanchez is read the mail. Yeah, well, the only thing I hear is you in my radio, Lady Mermaid. You're the only thing I hear in this mobile. I just want to say hello to you because you sounded so good. Lady Mermaid, your friend up here in the northwest corner. Can't wait to see you. And I'm back quiet.
White Yoakum sung a song like that. Maybe that was Elvis Presley, I don't know. Nitro's got the 454. I had to use a shoehorn, but I got them in there in a little bitty box. Let's just 1-2 sound good in Idaho, come on. Nitro, 170, good tip, let's go. Blue chip is on that.
I made the macaroni salad just like Mom does, and then he didn't know how to make the potato salad. So him and I made one so that he'd know. Sorry about it, it turned out all right.
Heck yeah, I'm eating cookies right now. Live alone, do what I want, talk on the radio, watch TV, wash my truck, mow the lawn, water the lawn, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, wash out the bathtub, wash out the sink. You know how it is. I do what I want anytime I want. Wash the clothes.
Hey, Sanchez, was that you I heard rumbling around in there just a little while ago?
It sure was. I just got off work and I'm in my 4-pill mobile there break.
Wow, I thought you were home. That 4-pill mobile was rolling there, breaker.
Well, I happen to be sitting here on the river. Maybe that's probably what it is. I'm in this river.
You need me to put some weight on his back? You need me to make it sound like he's not home? Bye.
Stop that, number one. Stop that. That wasn't nice. He's in his 4-pill mobile, sitting on the river down there. Well, good evening and good afternoon over there in beautiful downtown Boise. Hey, watch out for that number one there. He's kind of trying to sneak right past that little mobile there, breaker.
That's a speaker. Nope.
Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. Me and my handheld got down around your town. What's going on, Bill? You're sounding bodacious around my stack of bricks. Bodacious around my stack of bricks, Bill. Gotcha. Just stepping and getting out of the way. The 246 in the handheld. Bye.
Yeah, that cotton-picking handheld, I'm telling you. Fool Sanchez didn't have a chance in his little mobile on the river when you key that great big prime minister down there in Boise and obliterate my cotton-picking receiver there. Go ahead.
Old fat man's talking to you at the same time. Come on. 246 talking
same time there, you're going to have to get your 2 radios to listen to. Come up.
Oh, did you go break something, or did Witch Doctor put a foot on me?
Here comes. Hey, sweet, here comes them nipples.
Yeah, Al Key down there, he blew Mother Nature right out of Boise or something there. I don't know what happened. But he didn't come back. But no doubt, your little bitty nipples came right on through, breaker.
Not keen on people. Just sitting here listening, trying to get smart, you know. Trying to learn something on my handheld. My little bitty handheld. Standing on the roof, hanging on, trying to get it done. Anyway, good afternoon. The 246. The handheld on the roof. Bye.
Well, there you go. He came back in there that time. Just about the time the nipples poked himself out of his holder there, no doubt about it. He come poking in, you poked right over the top. He was probably trying to get some of that. So you be careful up there. Top of the day to you, 246 on your handheld, working that big old Prime Minister antenna. I'm going to sit here and take a listen and see what else pops in here. Me and my little bitty radio down here in the center of Cali, I stepped on down.
Well, tell that 246 good morning from a sleepy dog.
He gets on that big antenna radar, and he's vicious there, sleepy dog. That cotton picker gets all kinds of wound up there. You better watch him.
I did well on that, I can believe it. Tell him hello for me.
Alrighty, I'll pass that message along if he fades back in here again. 'Cause Sleepy Dog put a great big hand in the air to you, 246. I'm stepping on down.
243, I thought it was 246. 246 is a stick.
Hey, Squeaker, Sleepy Dog, I heard he smoked cigars. I heard he was smoking a cigar the other day.
The Sleepy Dog smoking a cigar? And there must have been some type of a Monica Lewinsky running around if he was doing that.
Yeah, he found it in the toilet. I heard he found a cigar in the toilet and started smoking it.
He found it in the flushing machine, and he smoked it anyway. Well, he's gonna have to explain himself.
That's a whole lot of explaining.
Buzzer told me about the turd in the toilet. I just kind of spruced it up a little bit.
Oh, that was some of Buzzard's stuff. Yeah, well, he'll have to come up with something on that.
I'll have to think long and hard on that one.
That's why I came up with a cigar. That's not really a cigar, Squeaker.
I guess I ain't got no condition down there in Cali. Now in this small station up here in the northwest corner.
I ain't got no stiff lips, come on.
Well, bunch of stuff going around in there on that, no doubt. Holy moly! I thought I heard. I don't know if that was Silver Streak over there on that side or 250 over in Spokane, but I heard somebody key up in there.
It's just Silver Streak up here in the corner checking in.
Hey, Lady Mermaid, you say you got a dummy load going on over there?
Oh, okay. Top of the day to the Silver Streak. Yeah, somebody talking to Lady Mermaid there, so let me step out of the way. Top of the day, hope you're having a good one. Mr. Silver Streak, I'm stepping down.
Stay right back, man. Just good to hear you guys down south. God bless you and the family. Enjoy your afternoon. Me in this small station, old Silver Streak. And I just waved my hand.
Hello, Lady Mermaid. Hey, Lady Mermaid, what are we doing out there? Settle down. I'm just goofing around, girl.
settle down. Chill out. Take a bottle of chill pills. Come on. I can't. I'm single. And I'm over 70. I do what I want. Come on.
Hey, tell Lady Mermaid that,
Yeah, Lady Mermaid making a lot of noise.
I tripped that antenna thing there. I was experimenting with something, but I tripped my antenna thing and I couldn't keep it back up. But yeah, I heard her out there. Tell her I said hello if anybody can get to her.
Hey, Lady Mermaid, everybody's saying hello to you. Chill out, they say. Eat a chill pill, maybe a brick loaf. Come on.
If I do that, listen here, if I do that, if I roll your 5, it'll be 20 minutes before I get off this damn microphone.
Lady Mermaid, that squeaker said hello down your way. I was trying to tell you who it was. Emo up here waving at you.
Sleepy Dog did it for me. Sleepy Dog did it for me. I rolled my transmit out to 18 wide. I just wanted to see what it looked like. I was looking at it on a screen, but anyway, I'm back in the bushes. I'm quiet.
You want me to record it?
Yeah, she got the vibe there, so I think she said hello right back, but I wouldn't swear to that. My glasses on so I can hear you.
No, I didn't need it. I didn't need it recorded. It's okay. I just wanted to see what it looked like if I was to do that, because everybody else looks like that's where they're splattering to, so I tried to roll it out there. Anyway, hey, top of the day. I'm getting out of the way. Thank you, Sleepy Dog. You also there will get out of the way and sit here and listen.
Don't go. Okie dokie. Tell them big kids over there in Idaho good morning for me.
Oh, watch this. I'm going to 18 like you.
Oh yeah, that cotton picker spread out across my screen. It's spread out there, no doubt about it. And it don't sound bad either there.
Hey,
That's a bad combination.
That was just something I'd never tried before, so I thought maybe I'd give it a little whirl. I'll put it back where it was and leave it like that, because otherwise I'll break something. Anyway, hey, Sleepy Dog said, top of the day to you boys over there in Idaho, and I'm gone.
There, that's me stretched out. Boy, you should hear them damn 500Zs singing when I do that. That's me stretched out. That's 20 wide, though. Can you see the difference on that SDR screen, Mr. Squeaker Breaker?
It's on record. It's been on record for quite a while, so you'll get a chance to see what that cotton picker looks like there. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's in, Roger. Lady Mermaid says she was not going to key no more because I started a Watergate. I've been done Watergate. Hey, Lady Mermaid, you've been caught red-handed. Don't think I didn't record earlier. All right, I'm putting this thing back in the incognito mode. I'm going back to 8 wide. Mr. Worldwide Squeaker with that big sound. I'm getting down.
Audio Squeaker. Go with it. Waving the hand, Squeaker.
I'll wave right on back while I'm shrinking this thing down.
Right, put the shrink tape on that shrinker and nitro with it.
Alrighty, Nitro, good to hear you, man. Top of the day to you. I'm rolling this thing right back on down.
Alright, appreciate you.
Yeah, can you tell the difference between 8 and 18? Catch you later, Squeaker. I'm back in the cut.
Short time. I'm out here for it.
Well, that's what I'm doing. I was down to 14 before I keyed back up again. I'm going some more.
here for a long time, good time, and I'm out here for a good time, not a long time. Get no down.
All right, I'm done. I got to run in the other room there. I got to take the neighbor for an appointment, so I'm gonna run this thing 10-7, but I put it back at 10. Anyway, hey, you take care up there, number 1. 246. You get busy and get that stuff all ready. We'll see you guys real soon. Sleepy Dog, Moonlighter, all the rest of you up there on the north side. Top of the day, and I'm back out.
See you later.
We're trying, Bill.
Okie dokie.
We're trying. We're getting it going and getting stuff in the crates.
Bye, Sleepy Dog. Well, you just better put the lids on them and get busy.
Later, bye.
Yo, Squeaker.
Well, I heard somebody holler at me there. I was just walking out the door there.
Hey, old Nitro. It's Nitro saying he's got everything in the box and he's getting ready to ship it your way there, Timber.
Oh, we'll catch him somewhere or another. We don't ship a doggone thing there, Break.
You're gonna maybe bring it over there on straight train.
Oh, Mother Nature swapped and you faded right on out. Hey, Nitro, you take care, be good. We'll catch you again. I'm back out.
All right, Squeaker, put it on you later, bud.